I did a good job here. Well, I think I gotta come up with a different plan here. Crap. Fixing. Well, it's kind of a maintenance day right now. We're working on the Daigle rake. And what Sasha's doing is he's putting dust caps over top. I guess we are so generous with grease on here that we pop them out. So then we got new caps, and that's what Sasha's working on right now. So yeah, we're just putting some dust caps on here because if we get the dust in there, then they go into the bearings and they could really you know, do some damage to it. Have to replace the bearings and cost a lot more money. So he's working on that, and we are fixing some panels now. Sasha just cut up some pieces here. These are actually go together, and there was a piece missing here, and then you got to take a wire and tie it up. It doesn't really work very good, so. And I just welded this piece on right now. That one was bent, so now we gotta get a double. We gotta put one over here. What we're gonna do is actually we're just gonna weld this one here first, and then we'll place it up there and weld it where it needs to be welded. Well, let's go see what's going on over here. Willie, why'd you do that for? I don't know. Well, I think we almost got them all done. Yeah, we had to put these actually fit in on the other gates like this here, so that works really good. And Sasha's going to load up the chicken crates there. We're going to load some chickens later on today. And here I got a bit of it's broken here and here, so what we're doing is we're going to weld it up in here. Okay, now it's time for cleanup. Welcome back. Well, we are going to be doing some seeding today. I got my 40-year-old tractor, my 986, and I've got a seed drill behind me. Yeah, it's on steel wheels. I think they could have even used this for horses too. I don't know, but we're going to seed some triticale. Triticale is a cross between a fall rye and a winter wheat. So this is the winter hardiness. Some we're going to try. So we're going to seed it with this old seed drill. I'm getting more and more. I got to start looking at another seed drill. Mind you, you noticed a couple of videos back, we seeded that sorghum with this seed drill, and it works. So I got my truck loaded with 4,000 pounds of triticale, and we got to hand bomb it all. That's okay. Pretty good. Got it all unloaded. Now I just got to get this seed on the field. Just got to get it on the field now. Okay, let's see what this seed looks. Let's see. It's just a little chilly out here. Need a jacket. And I took this International. It's the other one because it's got air conditioning in there. So I want to run with air conditioning. And that tire's a little bit low. That doesn't cause me any issues. Oh boy. We'll see what happens. This is what Triticale looks like. I'm not sure how well this thing is metered. I might just have to bring it down a bit. I don't really want to have it too thick either. We'll see how soon this is going to germinate. But we want to get it in the ground. This is actually really good here. I think I got to cut it back a little bit. When you're seeding, you don't know exactly if you use the seed drill every day, and this is the new product that I've been seeding. I haven't seeded fall rye for, I guess this is similar to fall rye, so I don't know how. We're gonna have to make a few rounds. If the seed drill is empty after 2 rounds, then we know we've got too far. So last time this field was seeded was in, I think, 2011. I guess I wasn't paying attention. Look what I did. Oh man, look what I did. Well, maybe we can straighten it out. Shoot. I did a good job here. Well, let's try this. I gotta come up with a different plan here. Crap. Well, let me take these things out, these pins out. Well, I'm gotta go back home. I gotta get another part. Shucks. Well, the cows look comfortable. I've got some annual ryegrass that is coming up, and I want them to knock that down. They are not on this particular side yet. I have a wire there that I want them to graze that down. And I think we'll come back in a few weeks again and we'll graze it again. The annual ryegrass is a real good grass for extended grazing and a late season grazing too. So you can see where the wire is, portable wire. I gotta give them another day here. I think they're quite content. Happy cows. I'm going to the scrap pile. We have an old seed drill here, same model as the other one. Well, I figured I'd get you to come along with me here. I took this one, that one that was bent, and we put this one. We got this one off our boneyard there. So we're just going to install this back into here. Put this in like this. It's hammer time and the pair of pliers. Okay, so I think we're good. All my discs are up now. So what happened is when I was backing up, this thing dug into the ground. See where it dug in? That's where I bent it. Anyways, I'm not sure if that'll ever be used again. But it's a good thing I have an old drill in in the yard there, so probably going for scrap. Well, anyways, that breakdown took me a little bit of time. Took me about 45 minutes. I could have been almost done this field. It is what it is. We got to do our high tech and gonna engage it. All right, one side down. There we go. We're back. Right where the tire tracks where it did go down, the seat didn't go down, so I thought, well, narrowing and covering up a little bit quicker. I didn't have the right levis to hook this up, so it would probably be a half an hour for me to go get it. What I did is I took a chain. How long that's going to work. So we just planted triticale here. It's supposed to be a total of 35 acres altogether. We only planted, I would say, maybe about 22. I don't know if I got my meters right or not. You know, using that old drill there, yeah, I'm not sure. But you know what? We planted the sorghum. That's our second cut sorghum that's coming up. So that's the proof of what that seed drill did there. But we're looking at this here. We can see where it's been cut, and then it's tillering. It's what it's doing. It's coming out from the roots there, so it's really doing well. I think we're going to cut this for. We're going to cut it and we're going to wrap it. We're going to get a few bales out of it, so that's good. It's very pleased with how it worked, and yeah, this was seeded by that old seed drill, which I have no idea when it was ever manufactured. So our farm uses old equipment. We're still able to fix it. We have an old 986 here that's 40 years old. We actually have 3 of them. The device I got, they wanted to go 1.5 bushels per acre. I don't know if I did that. I might have gone a little bit less. I was almost done the field, and I noticed that I still had lots, so I opened it up. In the middle, we might have a lot more, so I don't know. And we put triple 19 fertilizer on here. So I think this is where we're going to end the video. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share, and we'll see you next time.
You're such a good boy. Beauty. Hey.